41st anniversary is coming up and school has started, so I bought my hubby flowers. He loves them. And I'm going to show you how to preserve them, not using the sugar packet that comes with it. So the first thing you do is you trim this off about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. And once you trim that, then you fill with some lukewarm water. You're going to drizzle with Cox's honey. Doesn't take much. And then I actually kind of swish it around, and then I use the stems in here to move it around and help it. We had a bouquet that lasted 3 to 4 weeks. It was amazing. If you like this, please subscribe and share. And grandchildren, did you find the bee? Yep, there it was all the time. It's a keychain. Shout out to my friend Elaine Marie. I'll tag her so that you know where you can get these. Have a sweet day.